luckily this is recorded, so you'll be able to watch the recording. So for those of you that are not here, you'll be able to listen back to this anyway. Okay, so now we're on to part 2, how to find contract opportunities. So finding contract opportunities, it involves actively seeking for tenders, opportunities relevant to your healthcare business. So I'm going to give you some strategies here which you can look at using. Okay, so some of the places that you can find contract opportunities is government portals. Government agencies often publish tenders, opportunities on their procurement portals. So these portals are accessible to the public and provide information on various contracts being tendered by government department and other agencies. So you could get a mixture of private organizations,